The hills roll downward, and the slopes are so steep. But can you at least find a bighorn sheep? You found the bighorn sheep! You found the eagle! You found the yak! You found the monkey! Where is this animal visiting from? That's right! Great job! Hello, Play-Doh Jungle, where wild animals peek. Today they're all playing hide and go seek. Did you see a creature hiding behind that tree? Squish the bushes to see what you can see. You found the toucan! You found the fish! Where is this animal visiting from? That's right! Great job! You found the panther! You found the monkey! Hello, Play-Doh Ocean, down under the foam. Lots of undersea creatures call this their home. Swimmers and divers, all a strange crew. Can you find them hiding in the deep dark blue? You found the fox! Where is this animal visiting from? That's right! Great job! You found the starfish! You found the fish! You found the whale! Hello, Play-Doh Acres, with your bright red. Hello, Play-Doh Garden, with your flowers so bright. Let's find which creatures are hidden from sight. With a riot of colors, it might be hard to. You found the butterfly. You found the snail. You found the puffin. Where is this animal visiting from? That's right, great job! You found the rabbit.